Hi, I'm Mark Wolf and I'm a Senior Marketing Manager at EyeCarePro. EyeCarePro is a digital marketing agency that deals exclusively with optometrists. We're excited to be coming to Vision by Design, and we're going to be doing a workshop on strategies to get you more Ortho-K patients into your practice and build your Ortho-K practice up. In this workshop, we're going to go over the tools and strategies needed to capture Google searches that are relevant to and specifically to Ortho-K. We're going to learn to develop an online content marketing strategy that reaches those potential new patients, engages them, and educates them. We're going to develop the tools needed to establish yourself as the trusted local expert on effective myopia management. Looking forward to seeing you all in San Antonio.